In the dim glow of dawn, as the world stirs to life, an ancient remedy simmers softly on stoves in kitchens across the globe. This is golden milk, a vibrant concoction that has been nurturing health and vitality for centuries. Yet, beyond its creamy swirl and aromatic allure, golden milk offers a treasure trove of wellness benefits, rooted deeply in the annals of traditional medicine and validated by modern science. As intriguing as it is beneficial, this super drink merges history, culture, and nourishment in a warm, soothing sip. In an era where health is synonymous with elaborate diets and advanced supplements, golden milk stands out with its simplicity and profound efficacy. But what exactly makes this golden-hued drink a bastion of health, and why is it gaining such popularity across diverse cultures today? Let's dive into the creamy depths of golden milk, exploring its heritage, health benefits, and how to tailor it to nourish not just the body, but also the soul. Golden milk, traditionally known as haldi doodh, is a drink steeped in the history of Ayurvedic medicine, an age-old holistic healing practice from India. Crafted primarily from turmeric, a spice lauded for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, this drink has been a staple in Indian homes for generations, primarily consumed for its healing and preventive health benefits. As we trace the roots of golden milk back to over 1,000 years ago, its presence was not merely dietary but deeply ritualistic and symbolic, often tied to spiritual practices and the pursuit of wellness. Its adoption in Western cultures is relatively recent, credited to the global spread of yoga and holistic wellness philosophies. Today, golden milk has transcended borders, finding its place in the modern health-conscious kitchen. Golden milk's enduring appeal is not just a tribute to its health benefits, but also a testament to its broader cultural resonance. This drink encapsulates a philosophy of wellness that praises balance, natural remedies, and the preventive approach to health, principles more relevant today than ever before. Golden milk is a powerhouse of nutrition, fortified by each of its carefully chosen ingredients. The primary ingredient, turmeric, contains curcumin, known for its potent anti-inflammatory effects and ability to increase antioxidant capacity in the body. These properties make it an excellent aid against chronic inflammation and pain such as arthritis and muscle soreness. Moreover, when combined with black pepper, the bioavailability of curcumin increases significantly, a synergy that amplifies its benefits. Other typical ingredients include ginger, which aids digestion and combats nausea, and cinnamon, which can regulate blood sugar levels. The base of the drink is usually milk or a plant-based alternative, rich in calcium and essential vitamins. Consistent consumption of golden milk can contribute to improved immunity, better digestion, and enhanced skin health, making it a comprehensive beverage for overall well-being. The scientific community continues to explore the depth of these benefits, finding promising results in the realms of cognitive function and mental health as well. Crafting your cup. How to make and personalize golden milk. Preparing golden milk is a ritualistic process that allows for a high degree of personalization. Start with a base of your choice, such as cow's milk, almond milk, or coconut milk, depending on dietary preferences and nutritional needs. Add turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and any additional spices like cinnamon or cardamom for flavor. Personalizing your golden milk can enhance not only its taste, but also its health benefits. For instance, adding a teaspoon of coconut oil not only enhances flavor, but also increases the absorption of turmeric's active compounds. For a touch of sweetness and a health boost, consider incorporating honey or maple syrup, both of which offer their own antioxidants and soothing properties. With each ingredient bringing its unique benefits to the table, golden milk can be tailored to address specific health needs, from boosting immunity to enhancing sleep quality, making it a truly personalized wellness drink. A balanced view, considerations, and potential drawbacks. While the benefits of golden milk are impressive, it is essential to adopt a balanced viewpoint. For individuals with certain health conditions, such as gallbladder disease, large amounts of turmeric might exacerbate symptoms. Additionally, those on blood thinners should consult with a healthcare provider due to turmeric's blood-thinning effects. It's also worth noting that the key to maximizing the benefits of golden milk, like any health supplement, is consistency and moderation. Incorporating this drink into your daily routine can offer long-term health advantages, but it should complement a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. In conclusion, golden milk is more than just a trendy health drink. It's a bridge connecting ancient wisdom with modern wellness practices. By understanding its roots, embracing its benefits, and adjusting its recipe to fit personal health needs, anyone can tap into the age-old secrets of golden milk and turn a simple beverage into a daily ritual of health and harmony. Until next time, this is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.